This is the first question of bi-weekly contest 184. In this question we have given an integer n and we have to return true if its binary representation contains exactly one pair of consecutive set bits and false otherwise. Basically, we have given an integer n. We have to convert it into its binary representation form. If its binary representation form contain exactly one pair of consecutive set bits, means one pair, we have to count the number of pair of consecutive set bits. If it's 1, we have to return true. If it's not 1, then we have to return false. For example, if we have 1 0 0 1 1 0, so it will return true. Why? Because it have exactly one pair of consecutive bits. Only one time we are seeing ones two time. Similarly, 110000, it is also true. Similarly, 11010101 is also true. But now we will change it, and now we have 1111. Now it is false. Okay, 3 times 1. It is false. Why? Here there are two pair of consecutive set bits. What are the two pair? First is this 1 1 at position 0 and 1, and these are and 1 and 2. So we have two consecutive bits. What are the two? This one and second and third. First and second and third. So we get two consecutive set bits. Similarly, 110011. It is also false because again here we can see two consecutive set bits in the starting and in the end. And one more example. So this is also false. So in this we have more than one two consecutive set bits. Or also one more example, 1010. It is also false because it has 0. It doesn't have even a single pair of consecutive set bits. So what we are going to do? We are going to check the last bit and we will check if it is consecutive or not. If it's consecutive, we will increase our count of consecutive set bits and we will remove the last bit and move forward to the next bit. So I will write the code. Now in the last we will tell what the last set bit we have found. Now here we have to check pair of consecutive set bits. So we are starting with last 0 because it doesn't going to matter if last is 0 because it will not decide our answer. What will decide our answer? Whether last is 1 or not. So last equal to 0 and we will store the count. How many times we have found the consecutive set bits. We are going to do this while n is greater than 0. So while n, we are going to check the last bit. If n and 1, so if the last bit is 1, now if last bit we have just found just before this current bit, if means the previous bit is 1, then we are going to increase the count because we have found consecutive set bits, as we will set the last equal to 1. As if the current bit is 0, then we are going to check last equal to 0 because now we didn't have anything to count, and we will remove the last bit, which can be removed by this. We have used right shift operator and we use just one bit, which is the last one. Now we will return count equal to 0. So sorry, count equal to 1, we need to exactly 1 pair of consecutive waves. So if count equal to 1, then it will return 2, else it will return false. We will run the test case. Okay, our test case are passed. Now we will submit our solution. And yeah, our solution are accepted. Thanks to see the video at the end and let me know if you have understand the solution. Thanks to see the video.